Welcome to Classic Bike Drive, your destination for honest motorcycle reviews and practical insights. Today we're taking an in-depth look at the 2026 Honda SP 125, a bike designed to deliver comfort, efficiency, and everyday usability without compromising on style or performance. The 2026 Honda SP 125 carries a clean, modern design that suits both city streets and expressway riding. With sharp body lines, a muscular fuel tank, and contemporary graphics, the SP 125 looks stylish without being over the top. Its upright stance and ergonomic design make it easy to ride for a wide range of riders, from beginners to experienced commuters. At the heart of the SP 125 lies a 124.7 cubic centimeter single-cylinder, air-cooled engine developed for smooth and reliable performance. The fuel-injected setup ensures crisp throttle response and efficient combustion, giving you strong low-end torque suited for city traffic while maintaining respectable performance on open roads. The 5-speed gearbox complements the engine well, making gear shifts smooth and predictable. With this setup, the SP 125 balances fuel economy and everyday performance, ideal for daily commuting without compromise. Comfort is a strong point of the 2026 SP 125. Its upright riding posture, wide handlebars, and well-cushioned seat make longer rides easy on the body. With a curb weight that keeps the bike agile and easy to maneuver, navigating traffic or tight parking spaces remains effortless. The suspension is tuned to absorb typical city road imperfections, providing a stable and comfortable ride even over uneven surfaces. Honda equips the SP 125 with practical features that matter. Digital instrument cluster, offering clear readouts, LED headlamp and tail lamp for better visibility, tubeless tires for added safety, combustion-efficient fuel injection for consistent mileage. These features enhance daily usability without overcomplicating ownership. Mileage remains a top priority for commuters, and the Honda SP 125 delivers impressive efficiency figures in real-world conditions. Combined with Honda's reputation for reliability and low maintenance costs, this bike makes everyday commuting more economical and stress-free. Daily commuters looking for a comfortable and fuel-efficient ride, urban riders wanting a reliable and easy-to-handle motorcycle, beginners seeking a smooth, confidence-inspiring bike with modern features. The 2026 Honda SP 125 is a refined, practical, and stylish commuter that ticks all the boxes: performance, comfort, efficiency, and reliability. It's a bike that feels at home in city traffic and comfortable on longer rides, making it a versatile choice for riders who want a dependable, everyday companion. Stay tuned with Classic Bike Drive for more motorcycle reviews, comparisons, and in-depth breakdowns, because every ride deserves to be classic.